Number 1. 1986 Chevrolet C10, $6,000, Santa Rosa, California. This 1986 Chevrolet C10 packs a professionally installed AccuAir air ride suspension and a 406 small block engine. Riding on 28-inch dub rims with a 12-inch subwoofer and flip-screen TV, it is a showpiece in the making. However, it requires a carburetor tune and trailering due to being idle for years. Included in the sale are brand new bumpers, grille, and lights. This project truck has high potential for someone looking to finish a custom build. Number 2. 1982 Ford F-150, 1500er, Blytheville, Arkansas. A square-body Ford F-150 with four-wheel drive and a V8 engine. This 1982 model is in fair condition and needs a carburetor. The odometer has rolled over, but it comes with a clean title. Ideal for restoration enthusiasts or as a parts donor. Number 3. 1987 Ford F-250 4x4, $10,000, Evansdale, Iowa. This well-maintained 1987 Ford F-250 comes with a ZF5 manual transmission swap, Holley Sniper EFI system, and Aussie Speed intake. Originally solid gray, it was repainted and undercoated in 2021. Mechanically solid and rust-free with some cosmetic blemishes. Interior shows minor wear, a great example of a usable classic workhorse. Number 4. 1987 Chevrolet 1500 4-wadded long bed, $5,500, Grand Junction, Colorado. With a 5.7-liter V8 engine, this 1987 Chevy half-ton pickup is rust-free and runs strong. It features newer tires, fuel pumps, and tanks. Needs a windshield and seat repair, but overall in good condition and ready to drive. Number 5. 1986 Dodge Ram 1500, $4,700, Livermore, California. This single-cab long-bed Dodge Ram is a true survivor. Powered by a 318 V8 engine, it is entirely original and has only 125,000 miles. It has been well-maintained with recent fluids, spark plugs, and new tires. Perfect for Dodge fans or collectors looking for an untouched classic. Number 6. 1989 Toyota pickup, $6,500, Orange County, California. Equipped with Toyota's legendary durability, this 1989 Toyota pickup features a reliable 4-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. It runs and drives well, with current registration through September 2025. Needs only regular servicing. (1986) Mazda B2000, $6,500, Bastrop, Texas. This compact 1986 Mazda B2000 truck has a 5-speed manual and a rebuilt interior with Celica seats and upgraded suspension. Minor body damage on the bed and tailgate, but reliable for daily driving. Features include Optima battery and KYB gas adjust struts. Number 8. 1984 Chevrolet K20 4x4, $9,700, Saugle, Idaho. A rugged 1984 Chevrolet 3/4-ton truck with a rebuilt 350 engine and turbo 400 transmission. It has new brakes and is mechanically sound with no issues. Cosmetic imperfections are minimal. A solid, dependable off-road truck with recent upgrades. Number 9. 1985 Chevrolet El Camino Conquista, $3,900, SeaTac. This El Camino features a 350 small block with Vortec heads, Edelbrock intake, and Flowtech headers. Transmission issues limit it to first and reverse gear only. Rough idle and minor body damage. Great bones for a performance-minded restoration. Number 10. 1988 Ford F-250, $500, Bozeman, Montana. A project-grade Ford F-250 equipped with a 5.8-liter V8 engine and automatic transmission. Title is clean, but odometer is broken, and the condition is listed as salvage, a rough base for restoration or parts. Number 11. 1984 Ford F-150, $6,800, Aurora, Colorado. This well-kept 1984 Ford F-150 has only 65,000 miles and features a V8 engine. A clean example of a two-wheel drive classic pickup that runs well and remains largely original. A solid choice for vintage truck fans. Number 12. 1987 Chevrolet Silverado C20, $7,850, Paris, California. A long bed Silverado with only 79,000 original miles and manual transmission. This second-owner vehicle is clean, solid, and ready for either work or restoration. The square body look is increasingly sought after. Number 13. 1989 Ford F-150, $4,500, Hillsboro, Oregon. This four-wheel drive 1989 Ford F-150 is in good condition and powered by a V8 engine. Mileage is reported around 170,000. A great balance of rugged functionality and classic styling.